to kiss me.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Herlina Septiani. Here I will fulfill the test of citizenship English about local transportation, giving direction and often transportation. Part 1. Dialogue Dialogue about local transportation and giving direction. Tourists. Excuse me, how can I get to the nearby regional hospital? Me, of course. How can I get to the nearby? Of course, the road ways until you reach the junction. Take the night. Follow the road and go straight. Thank you. Is there any public transportation about I can take to get? Of course, you can take public transportation, but what the village is terminal below. But about of out of town transportation. Tourists. Excuse me, how can I get to the from the farm? Sure, you can text the train to the from Bandung to Station Solo. Tourists. How long does it take to get there? Me. It takes about two by 3 hours by one electric train from Solo to Bandung Station. The from Bandung, then from Bandung Station to Dufan, you can take public transportation. You about 50 to 30 minutes, depending of traffic condition transportation. Thank you for this is our dialogue about your local transportation and giving direction and out of town direction. But sorry for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.